Okay, we have Ryan. Do we have any Spanish journalists who need translation? Or are you okay? Okay. Sorry, Llewellyn. Who wants to go first with a question for Ryan? Paul?
Ryan, how would you sum up that night?
Disappointing. You know, against average teams, you have to do the basics right. Against a very good team, you don't do the basics, you get punished, and that's what happened.
How would you describe the return to the stadium, the atmosphere, the 50,000 crowds?
The build-up was magnificent. You know, coming into the stadium on the coach, you could just feel the buzz, and it's something different. It was one that we were all looking forward to. Unfortunately, we couldn't perform on the pitch, which is obviously disappointing, but just happy that we give the crowd something to cheer about at the end. Fantastic goal. And if there is any positives to take out of tonight, Matty Smith come on and did well. Brooksy showed what he's capable of. And also Tom Lawrence, we had a threat. We had a threat with them 3 players coming on. So, yeah, we just brush ourselves down, take it on the chin. The last time we were in Cardiff, we won 4-1. We were magnificent. Tonight, we were disappointing. So the good thing about football is you've always got the next game, and that can't come quick enough.
Do you think that result could have happened just as easily at Cardiff City Stadium, Ryan?
Yeah. I don't think it really had any bearings. Like I say, as a footballer, you have to do the basics right, both as individuals and as a team. And if we wouldn't have done that, you know, we could have been on the local park, and if we would have done that, it would have been the same result. So, yeah.
Ryan, you say there's basics. Some of the defending, a couple of goals you
Yeah, goals are really disappointing. You know, when we come up against such a good team, technically so good, work hard when they don't have the ball, and we give 2 set-piece goals away, and poor set-piece goals away, especially the first one. So, yeah, you're up against it after 7 minutes. First goal was a poor goal, and then you're chasing shadows. So, but they kept in the game. They kept going, and that's credit to the players. Second half, I challenged them to try and win the second half, get something out of the game. We didn't win it, but we drew the second half. So, like I say, this game doesn't come around very often. We got taught a lesson in many aspects, but the main thing we got taught taught tonight was do the basics right.
Ryan, just in terms of fitness, Ethan Ampadu, like the field, what's the situation with him?
Yeah, Ethan just extended his knee a little bit. We'll just assess it, see how it is. Chris Meppen just got a little knock yesterday in training. And obviously Gareth's struggling as well for Tuesday. So, yeah, we'll just try and take care of the lads as best we can over the next couple of days and get ready for Tuesday.
Just on Gareth, would it be one that goes to the wire? Would you give him a fitness test maybe on the day of the game?
No, we'll make a decision in the next couple of days, because then we have to prepare for the game. So if Gareth isn't available, then we have to prepare to see what team we're going to play. So we'll make it sooner rather than later.
And at the moment, does it look likely that you'll be without him?
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Any more questions? No? Okay, thank you. Yeah, sorry, gentleman back, sorry.
I was going to say, could you see yourself playing more games here at the Millennium Stadium after playing tonight?
Like I said before the game, you know, we'll just take each game on merit. Obviously, Cardiff City has been our home. We've got a very good record there. But, you know, before the game, it was a special occasion to come back here. You know, I think it invigorated everyone, and just it was something different. But yeah, in the foreseeable future, the next game Denmark will be at Cardiff City. But yeah, we'll take every game. You know, if we can fill out the stadium, then it's always great. But we'll just see. We'll just see before the games and who our opponents are.
50,000 on a Thursday night for a friend must be very rewarding for you when you have to go, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, and that's credit to the players. You know, the performance that they put on the last time in Cardiff, and we just couldn't replicate that tonight. albeit against a very, very good team. You have to give them credit. Fantastic players. You know, you look at all the clubs that they're playing at, they're all playing at the top level, and they showed that tonight. And it was a lesson for us. It was a lesson for a lot of the players, and one that we will learn from, and we'll come back stronger, and we will be better Tuesday.
Okay, is that it? Thank you, Joel.